Look, he's white and gray.
Oh, there's the first one. White and gray kind of looks like mom.
Yeah, come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Here comes
Come
baby.
on, baby. He's moving. He's moving. Okay. The baby's moving. Come on, Nunu. Push, baby. Push, Nunu. Come on, you almost got him out. My God, they're gonna be like that big.
Teeny.
Come on, Nunu. You're good. You're good.
You're good. Good
Almost
girl.
got it. Almost got him out. Yeah.
Here it comes.
Yeah. Here we go. Come on, sweetheart.
Good girl.
Yes. We gotta get him out.
One more push now. I think you can do a
Come
little
on.
pulling. There you go. There it comes. Oh, look at the little foot.
It's a paw.
Here's a paw.
His little sack is all cold. Come on, baby.
I'm gonna heat her in close.
Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Some more pushes. I know you're so tired. You're doing good. You're doing so good. Yes, we're gonna get him out. Freaking paw.
Look, so I'm heating the towel right there.
Yeah, excellent. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Almost. Almost. You're doing so good.
Good nerve.
Good girl. Should. No, let her do
Here
it.
it comes. Here it comes.
Come on. Come on. Are you okay in there, buddy? Are you
Here it
okay
comes.
there?
Here it comes.
Okay.
Oh, you're white and gray like mama, it looks like. Oh.
We got a puppy that looks like mommy. Yes, come on, baby. You're doing so good, Nunu. So good.
Oh, there
So
comes
good.
another push.
Good girl. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. How are you doing in there, Papa?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yes.
Another push.
Come on.
Here it comes. Not too teeny, but little paws. Here it comes. Here it comes. Give
Yeah.
a little teeny help.
Almost.
Okay. Oh. No. Pull that blanket around there so that it's all covered. Almost there. Here it comes.
Oh, yes.
Yay! Oh, puppy!
It's down.
Oh, puppy! Oh, puppy!
Oh. Dude, I can't get the damn sack. He's moving. Oh my God.
Let her do it. Oh, it looks like mom. Look how much it looks like mom.
Hey, I can't.
Oh my gosh, she got the sack. She got the sack. Now pull it away from the sack, away from the face. She got it. She got the cord.
Shit.
There it is. There it is.
He's like still kind of stuck inside.
It's okay.
See?
Oh, I see. Okay. We'll kind of poke it away
Get him.
from his face. There
I'm
you go.
trying.
There you go.
I need something.
Your scissors?
Yeah, I think I will. Get him there. Get him.
She'll bite it. Watch his little face.
There we go.
Oh wow.
There we go.
There you go.
Shit.
Oh
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop right